The title of this poem is Seed. After the whisper of curious seeds, clouds have started tossing and turning, but Michael not allow them to seep until nestling get share of legacy, gale proper some grains to destination, favorable temperature for foster sapling. Insects complete their life cycle. Seasonal birds relax after tiresomeness. Gypsy girl decorate her muddy house. Heath scones for twinkling wink when ice balls roll through boulevard of cascade. Burble of milky water rock Deodar woods. Denuded slopes invoke for costume. When hunched and weak creature halted near pits, then shower of boon with smile and dance. Dibble down from vault and edges of roof. Naked twigs, slopes and sleek plume. Tickle eyebrows, cheeks and snog lips. A sign of good omen infuse serene. Entice lovely feathers for hearty songs. Rill also replete by lick of good. Echo of bee, bleat fills whole world. Humming of bees rouse flower seeds, while quench their thirst with sips of leisure. Saplings start germinate in colorful hues. Sage move to hills only for mules. Thanks for watching.